Hasn't quit running. Arcware. Trying to keep the area toasty. Well pump, wellhead. With it being 0 degrees out there, the wind chill factor is probably putting it in the negative. But yeah, the system hasn't quit running. Probably close to 12 hours or so, 10 to 12 hours, and quit running. Got to do everything we can do to keep the pipes from freezing. Look at the size of that. This buck stove. The truth is, with it being so cold, the best way to supplement your heat is fireplaces, wood stoves. The HVAC's just running non-stop. Yeah, I appreciate it. All right, stay warm. It's so cold here in the U.S. Trying to stay toasty. Look at the size of this fire. It's good to prepare, have our wood together, and it's taking quite a bit to stay prepared. All right, stay warm. Appreciate your likes and subscribes. Best is yet to come. Have a blessed day.